Ho, 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 ho. Well, Christmas is just around the corner, and I'm sitting here working on the delivery list. Oh, I see here Sophie Paul. Well, I wonder if she's been a good girl. Oh, here's a letter from her Grammy and Papa John. Oh, she's been wonderful. I'll have to give her something really special. I hope she has a wonderful Christmas. Ho, 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 ho. And I hope the whole Paul family has a wonderful Christmas. Well, I see here on this letter that Grammy and Papa John love all of them and wish them that the Lord will bless their Christmas. That's a good thing. Ho, 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 ho. Well, I better get back to my list. Ho, 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 ho.